Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Maulan na panahon. Another day is another vlog. Let's go, let's go. Walking time today, guys. It is rainy. It's wet day. Let's go walking. Like 35 minutes. Exercise. Walk is an exercise. It's the best exercise in the world. Goy. Ganon. As you can see, ayan. Basa ang wet. Basa ang wet. Bye bus! Bye bus! Salibas bus! I think summer is almost over. Over daw. Over, wag naman. Uminit ka ulit at umaraw. Come on. Parang nagpapaalam na po ang summer. Hindi pa sapat para sa akin ang summer, guys. Only 2 months. Only 2 months sa summer here. Opo. Let's go walking in the rain. Green grass of all. For now. For now. Green pang ating mga kahoy. Sige lang, green. Magiging green. Magiging ano rin kayo. Pink, orange, red, or purple soon, a few months. Let's go walking in the rain. Grabe ang garden. Pinalitan lahat ng grass. Naging bago ang grass. Green grass. Nice flower. Rain, go again, come again, another day. It's basura day, guys. It's basura day. Ganito ang panahon pagka ano na, guys, patapos ng summer. Laging ulan. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Thank you. Bye.